Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device and then start by accessing the connections tab. Simply tap on it and a bunch of features will be displayed. Here, tap on the Wi-Fi button at the top and all of the available Wi-Fi connections will open up. Now what you need to do is locate and connect to the target Wi-Fi network. Once connected, tap on the settings icon beside it and you can see that the network password is present on this page. You can just tap on the eye icon and it will be displayed. In case this feature is not available on your device, then you can just tap on the QR code icon at bottom left corner and then select Save as Image. Once done, close the settings app, open any preferred browser and search for Scan QR code. Now open this website named scanqr.org and upload the saved image. After that, the Wi-Fi network password will start displaying in the text box beneath it. So that's basically how you can see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.